What better to do with an excellent bonfire than finally destroy this 9-month-old, still within factory warranty HTC Vive that has been to 2 separate HTC service centers, denied for repair both times, and they somehow think that it itself is a multi-cable. I cannot stress how much you should not buy an HTC product. I've spent $50 and countless hours just trying to get them to repair this under warranty device, and they won't do it. Cheers. Well, it burns better than it works. Piece of shit. Oh great, now I'm gonna get a copyright takedown.
I don't think there's any copyright on the funeral rites, whatever, playing of packs.
Maybe, maybe not.
Here, only play it for 11 seconds, and then you can find out.
You mean 9 seconds? Oh, you're trying to get me a takedown.
Yeah. I hear those fumes are good for preventing cancer. Oh, and someone's turning around in the driveway. This would be really wet.
Shitty toasted circuit board. Shitty toasted glass lenses. Beer. The HDMI port's pretty solid on these. Everything else, not so much. Time to go plug it in. Nah.
I think she's hooped, bud.
I don't know. It looks pretty much as functional as it did before I put it in the fire.
I think she's more hooped.
Nah. It's mint. This is factory HTC quality.